everybody and welcome back to my little section here on Campus Society. Firstly, I just wanted to apologise for the fact that I haven't been around very much over the past couple of months, but as you'll all know, it's been exam/deadline season, so I'm still kind of working my way through it. The end is in sight, the end is in sight. But today I thought I'd film a little bit of a light relief video. I thought it would be quite interesting to show you guys my university room. Now I will mention that I did film this footage at the very start of the year when my room was looking more fabulous and I didn't have like half of my things packed away ready to move out. But I do hope you guys enjoy this little tour of my halls. I am going to include some footage of my communal areas that I filmed a couple of weeks ago when it was clean, on the very rare occasion that it was clean. Just to give you guys a kind of idea about what it's like living in city accommodation off campus. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So here we start off in the rather dark and dingy part of my room, but we have the front door there and then the wardrobe, and just to the left we have my little ensuite bathroom, and as you can see I've gone for the duck egg blue colour theme. But this is actually a really nice sized bathroom. I really like the fact that you've got lots of little shelves to put all your little bits and bobs on, and you've just got your shower tucked away in the corner there. I thought it was a little bit small to start off with, but it's perfectly big enough for one person. The wall that separates my bathroom from my bedroom is where I keep loads of posters. It really makes it feel more homely. I have a 3/4 bed, and because it's just sort of plasticky wood, I can kind of blue tack bits on without getting told off. On the opposing wall here we have my notice boards, and I think these are probably there intended for revision notes, but as you can see mine are just scattered with photographs because that's what reminds me of home. I've got this bunting that goes all around my room, it makes it feel so cosy, and there's lots of little shelves around my room where I can put photos and little knickknacks that really make me feel more at home. Here you see my desk, all very self-explanatory, but I am the kind of person who has a lot of knickknacks. It's lucky that I brought 2 desk lamps from home because they didn't have any upon my arrival here, so I'm really pleased that I managed to bring these. I've got my mirror and some stand-up folders to keep any papers in, and on the sideboard there I like to keep the room oxygenated, and I've got my little succulents. So now we're heading into our kitchen and communal area, and honestly this is it on a good day, I swear. We have a really cute like Bath stone building outside, and that's about the only nice thing about our communal area. It's really bog standard and we've just got basic amenities, but I thought it might be interesting for you guys to have a nose. So there we have my University Hall's room tour. I hope it was a little bit interesting for you to have a nosy around my room and see what bits and bobs I've got. I'm hoping to film my next video based around the theme of accommodation, so city accommodation or campus accommodation, so do look out for that one because that will be coming to you very soon. But until then, good luck in your exams, all my fingers are crossed for you. Summer is in sight, okay? We're nearly there. And I'll see you guys next time.